Hi, this is Nancy at Notions, here to introduce to you the next 4 subscription boxes from Crafter's Companion. Each one of these boxes has everything that you need to make anywhere from 14 to 24 different cards. And all of the different supplies in the box are going to be really themed for something different, so you can pick the one that you want the most. So starting with this box, this is the balloon sentiments boxes. So just like always, they're going to come in a very sturdy box that you can store all of your supplies in. And when you open them up, there's a thank you card from Sarah Davies herself. In this box, the balloon sentiments, you're going to get assorted ribbons in 2 different sizes, some baker's twine and some really pretty coordinating colors, some really super sparkly gems, adhesive gems, and pearls. And then we get to the balloon sentiments. So balloon sentiments meaning the typeface. So the typeface has a kind of a balloonness to them. And there are dies available for 4 of the sections within this stamp set. And then this stamp set has some more of the balloon facing dies. Then there's the printed paper, the colored paper, envelopes, and blank cards. So this kit is enough to make 18 different cards. The next kit is the layering stencil. Now this has over 440 elements, and look at all these really adorable cards that they've made. So in this kit, you're going to get a little set of pearls in assorted sizes and some flower embellishments. Some different stamps with the most common sentiments used in card making, and then the stencils. Now each one of these little envelopes comes with 3 stencils. So there is the stencils that are 2.5 inches in size, then sets 9 different stencils that are 3 inches in size, everything from geometric shapes to flowers and butterflies. And then the largest is the 4.25 inch size, again with a lot of different designs going on. And the idea here is that you would use those on the watercolor cards. So this is watercolor cardstock cut in the 2, the 3, and the 4.25 inch size, ready to be used for layering on your cards. Some assorted ribbon, the colored cardstock, and the envelopes and cards. The next kit is probably one of the cutest things I've ever seen. This is going to make 24 different sizes. This is Build a Character, and this is how they have set it up. So starting out with your assorted ribbons and pearls, but now this is the Build a Character. There are 6 cards of each character. So here's the little lion, or the tiger rather, and that's going to make 1 stacked tiger. Then you have your giraffe. He's absolutely adorable. And my favorite is the elephant. So cute. And these are all done in a punch-out die-cut set and sentiment balloons. There's the instructions for stacking up each one of the different elements, everything being numbered. And then there's a die-cut set for making additional animals using all the different elements in this die set. So there's unicorns, a cat, a lion, and a cute little dog, using all different elements from that die set. Then there's the stamps with the sentiments on it. Of course, printed paper, colored cardstock, envelopes, and blank cards. And the last is brand new, 16 different cards, and this is using sparkling ink. Now you might know about the sparkling ink markers from Crafter's Companion and Spectrum Noir, but now they've got the ink in little jars. So it's the same sparkly ink that is in the markers now in a jar, so that these can be used in so many different ways. And trust me, they are very sparkly. They come with eyedroppers so that you can pick up different amounts of your sparkling ink, a spray bottle so you can be using the spray, and I really love these stamps. Really pretty fairies, flowers, and butterflies. This is going to come with watercolor cards so that you can be using the sparkling ink on the heavier weight watercolor cards. And these are in a resist card. So you can see that there's different resist on this card. So when you put the sparkling ink down, you're going to see the resisted design. And they're all different designs. Plus the die cut sentiments done out of watercolor paper. So again, it will hold that ink really, really nicely. The colored cardstocks, blank cards, and envelopes. So everything that you need to make some really, really beautiful cards using the new sparkling ink from Spectrum Noir. So all 4 of these are available now on the Notions Marketing website. Be sure that you contact your sales rep right away as the supplies are limited. If you're a consumer, now's the time. Contact your favorite retailer and let them know that you want these subscription boxes so that you can make all these fabulous cards.